Good afternoon friends. Today I am going to provide you another video tutorial of the chemistry. It is related to the chapter chemical changes and reactions. इसमें already I have done with the chemical reaction, types of chemical reaction. What are the 4 different kinds of chemical reaction? I already given you. अभी हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे अदर केमिकल रिएक्शन, कौन से उसके कौन सी अदर केमिकल रिएक्शंस होते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज द कैटालिटिक रिएक्शन. As from the name, here the catalyst is used to with the reaction. A chemical reaction in which a catalyst is to used to alter the rate of a chemical reaction. But what do you mean by the catalyst? The catalyst is the substance which alter the rate of the chemical reaction but remain chemically unchanged. You need to remember this point very carefully. It's remain chemically unchanged at the end of the reaction. This phenomenon of the reaction rate being changed by a catalyst is called catalysis. The reaction is known as catalysis, whereas catalyst is used in the chemical reaction. Clear? The types of catalysts, what kind of catalysts are present here? First one is the positive one and the another one is a negative catalyst. What is the meaning of what a positive catalyst is? That when the catalyst used accelerate the speed of the reaction, it is known as the positive catalyst, where it gives a positive effect to the reaction, or maybe it's going to make the rate of the reaction positively, or maybe it may make it faster. That means it is a positive catalyst. For example, I'm going to show you the one example. Here is the decomposition of the potassium chloride to give a potassium chloride and oxygen faster at a lower temperature in the presence of the manganese dioxide. Here is the catalyst is manganese dioxide, which act as a positive catalyst because it's just going to make the reaction faster. Clear? Second one is the negative catalyst. What is in this? Let's check. In the second one, negative catalyst, here is the when the catalyst used retarded the speed of the chemical reaction, it is called a negative catalyst. Here it's going to make the slower speed of the rate of the reaction, chemical reaction. Clear? Here is the hydrogen peroxide. Example is the decomposition of the hydrogen peroxide decreases in the presence of the phosphoric acid, which act as a negative catalyst. Now here we are getting here water and oxygen, two elements is here. Hope it's clear to you. What are the two kinds of catalyst here? Catalyst hota kya hai and how it's act with the reaction. Now the another one type of reaction is the reversible reaction. What is the meaning of reversible reaction is, as from the name, reversible, it can be reversed again. But how? We will see it. A chemical reaction in which the product formed react under the same conditions to form the original reactants are called reversible reaction. It represented by two arrows pointing in opposite direction. For example, it's here. I'm going to show you. Can you see that this one arrow here is a 2 pointer is here, because once it formed into the product, again the product react in the same situation. वही situation रहेगा what was in the case of the reactant. Then again it react together and it come back to their prior position. Same reactant के form में आ जाएगा. What will happen in the case of this reaction? The reaction is represented by two arrows pointing in opposite direction. ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. In case of the ferrous iron, when it is red hot iron at the high temperature, बहुत ही high temperature पे, when here is a water vapor, इसको pass कराया जाता है steam को. On the hot iron, what we are getting as a product? It is diferric tetroxide. We are getting diferric tetroxide and hydrogen too. Again on the same temperature, the product react together and we get the reactant again. Means it is reverse. ये ऐसे चलते रहता है and on the same situation, same condition. Clear? You need to remember this point first, because इससे डिफर एक और रिएक्शन आपको मिलेगा तो वो थोड़ा सा आप वहाँ पे कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे, तो आपको ये चीज़ याद रखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन इज द थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन. Here is thermal decomposition. It is a chemical substance dissociated into two or more simpler substances on applications of heat. Example is, what is in this reaction? Solid ammonium chloride undergoes thermal dissociation to give ammonia and hydrogen chloride, which recombine together on cooling. Now here is just difference between the reversible reaction and in the thermal dissociation. It is also reversible but the condition will be changed here. Why? Because at the time of the product यहाँ पे condition change हो जाएगा. At the time of cooling, it again give the same reactant here at the ammonium chloride. Now I hope it's clear to you. Again I'm going to explain you. In sodium ammonium chloride undergoes a thermal dissociation to give ammonia and hydrogen chloride, which recombine on cooling to give a white sublimes of the ammonium chloride. So this is also a reversible reaction. Hope it's clear to you. Only 4 I'm giving you today because this is just for lengthy और आपको समझने में भी दिक्कत होगा. You can write down the complete chemical reaction and you can revise it easily. Now next for the changes involving energy. Now here यहाँ पे एक energy का involvement बहुत important है, जिसके बेसिस पे 2 types of reaction होगी. एक होगी आपके पास एक्सोथर्मिक और एक होगा एंडोथर्मिक. उसको हम डिटेल में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बनाऊंगी बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा लेंथी हो जाता है. यू विल नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू. ये 3 टाइप्स की आप रिएक्शन को रिवाइज करिएगा. इसके बाद मैं आपको कंप्लीट करवा दूँगी नेक्स्ट वाला वीडियो में. होप इट्स क्लियर. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ गुड डे.